Welcome back to another video. Today we're gonna be buying something. We're gonna be buying my new truck. Y'all know how I just sold mine, and now y'all gonna know who we're gonna get it from. Y'all see when we get there. My boy Uzi done pick me up. We're gonna slide. It's about an hour and a half drive down there, and shit, I'm excited, bro. It's gonna be a nice ass truck. And it still has some work. We gotta do a little bit of work to it. But that's more content, more stuff for the channel, more stuff for y'all to watch. And y'all will see it. Ah, shit. We done picked up my boy Spence and John. John, you strapped up?
Yeah, you know what it is.
Damn. Shit, nigga Miller in the vid? Shit, hell nah. Yeah, husband over there fighting and shit.
What are you fighting, bro? Customer, bro.
He's trying to fight a customer.
She tried to say I took $200 from her.
Hey, we're gonna put her to kick it. This we're gonna be right there. You already know my boy Uzi always tell me to buy my wheels. Shit. Uzi always be coming in clutch. Damn, nigga Drake, bro. Sitting on the 16 wides. Shoo. Them bitches hard. Damn. This is what I need right here. That bitch so far. Oh yeah, you already know what it is. Y'all already know what it is. Oh yeah, look, click a 5 on me. Look at that. Y'all see it? Y'all see it? The marrow. But anyway, now we're gonna head down there. I'll catch when we get there.
Get up.
Uzi, what happened, bro? Uzi, what happened?
Piece of shit.
I guess you too low, huh?
Fuck this piece of shit.
Damn. That bit was rubbing, boy. But yeah, we're gonna go get John's mom's car and then ride out there, cause that shit ain't gonna do it.
That ain't. No bueno.
No bueno. Bitch, fuck.
I ain't got no gas.
Valió verga, huh?
See?
Alright, so we at Tractor Supply trying to get my boy Uzi's thinner tires. Which ones you going with, bro?
I think it's these, bro.
These? Alright, say less. Let's go. We gonna go with them. Let's go. We'll catch y'all when we put them on.
20 by 10s, bitch.
That's what you need, bro.
Some dog or something.
Damn.
I'm like filming them just like you, bitch.
Oh God.
No cap, bro. We came in here to get my go-kart tires. A little go-kart tires? Yeah.
You ain't got no go-kart.
Hell yeah.
You ain't got no damn go-kart.
It's called the Dragonfly.
That bitch slow as
What you know about that?
That bitch slow as fuck.
That bitch don't fly.
Damn.
My go-kart go faster than that.
Hit us your single car tire, bitch.
That's mine, bro. Then we're finna burn them bitches out. We're finna get some grove, huh? Hell yeah. These tires, shit. Shit. Finna grab some grove. Hey, Uzi. You hungry, my boy?
I'm hungry as hell.
Let's see what we getting. I don't know what the fuck I want. It don't look good right
Hey,
here.
bro. Put it on my tab. La clica. La clica tab.
Bitch, they gonna kick us out.
We gonna be washing dishes.
They be like, y'all all already here.
We gonna be mopping the floor, bitch.
Shit.
What you finna get, bro?
Sing it.
When we do at the table, bro, it's for the table.
Nah, hell nah. It's for their fucking channel, boy. Yeah, look at everybody on their damn phone. Oh, John lagging.
He texting them hoes, bro. Leave him alone.
Okay.
My boy Todd pulled up on us and ate with us. Yeah. Carlos, how was the food, Wayne?
It was pretty good.
It was pretty good. Uzi, what you think?
Oh, now, boy.
Full, boy, ready to go. Now it's time to go get the truck now. Time to go pick up Mama Whiskey.
The new whip
No will.
for the channel.
That was truck we in there. You heard? Alright, so we don't put it on Boy Carlos' house. We had to jump it out because it was dead. He don't even drive it.
Don't drive it.
He don't even drive it.
Yeah, we need light. We need light.
We need light. There you go. My boy don't even drive it. Goddamn. Scozy put up, gave us jumper cables. Yes, sir. My boy, shout out boy John. He brought me over here. You heard? Yeah.
Check it out. They're ready for it? They're ready for it?
Yeah, I don't know. They ready?
You ready?
Let go.
Take the jumper cables off, bro.
Nah. Look at that. LS says, my boy.
It's certified already.
Certified. Oh yeah, they already got the La Clica sticker on there.
Hey, Big old 6-0.
Big old 6-0.
Damn.
Hey, hey, this heavy foot needs something to back it up. You know what I'm saying? So we gotta pick up a 6-0. Fuck it. Hell yeah. Ah, dang. But yeah, this is gonna be pretty much the end of this video. Shout out my boy Carlos for hooking me up. He gave me a good ass deal on this truck. I appreciate that. We're finna ride back to Statesboro and then we'll probably end the video over there.